Yo, how's it going everybody? This tutorial is for the Jesse Reyez version of Headlines, originally done by Drake. I'm also going to show you at the end how to very quickly take it down to the same key as Drake, because Jesse Reyez performs it very slightly higher. So without further ado, let's get zoomed in. Alright, so there's a couple of things going on in this song. There are 3 chords in this song, and they are all triads. Triads are chords with 3 notes, these 3. Okay, we have a C sharp minor, we have a D sharp minor, and we also have an E major triad. Now once you learn those 3 shapes, which will be up on the screen now, you can then start to apply the finger pattern of the right hand. I've decided to do this finger style. It's originally on piano, of course. You could play with a pick if you're comfortable with a pick, but I play finger style like this. So once I've got that first C sharp minor triad, I'm just picking them in order with my right hand fingers like this. So in terms of the strings I'm picking, G, B, E, G, B, E, G, B. Then I move that shape up 2 frets to get the D sharp minor triad, and I do the same thing again. G, B, E, G, B, E, G, B, in terms of the strings I'm picking. And then I form the E major triad, and I do the same thing again, but I continuously just go G, B, E, G, B, E, G, B, E, like this. G, B, E, G, B, E, G, B, E, G, B, E, before moving down back to the D sharp minor triad. G, B, E, B. So that last part slowly. So I'll go through the whole thing nice and slowly now, just for clarity. And that's it. And if you want to take it to the key that Drake does it in, basically play everything the same but 2 frets lower. So we normally start here with our 3rd finger up on the 6th of the G, but we simply take that C sharp minor triad and we move it down 2 frets, and we do exactly the same pattern, so it would sound like this. Hello! If you made it all the way to the end, I guess it must have been a bit too easy. If you want to continue to build your skills, have a look over here. See you later. Bye!